a presiding officer here.
Well, Brigadier General Rwashande has arrived at the polling station where he does vote from, and he has already passed where the presiding officer of this polling station is receiving the voters at this polling station. General Rwashande right there is waiting for the other two voters who are still ahead. They are having some interaction. And from what I can hear, there is a ballot paper that has been a little bit torn. That is the information I'm hearing, and that's why the process is at standstill as of now. I can see the other voter has moved back, and the female already is at the Benson ticking her favorite presidential candidate. That first box is for the presidential candidates. Now you can see the general is advising. I think there is a confrontation there, but we will be monitoring to see what exactly is happening. Well, I will go close there to see what exactly is happening at this polling station. Well, for now, there must be an issue with the ballot paper here, but there is an interaction that the general is making, but from when he's done with voting, we shall be able to ask him what exactly he is witnessing right now. He will explain to us what has transpired therein, but the voting is still going on smoothly, and other people are already going on with the exercise. So right there he is moving, and then he's going to cast his vote. You know, right there is at the first basin where he's supposed to tick from the presidential candidate of his choice. That is Brigadier General Rwashande, 1-star general. Those who already see the red collars on the UPDF uniform with a coat of arms and 1 star, that is the rank he is holding in the Uganda People's Defense Forces. General Rwashande right there, ticking. For those who are listening to UBC and watching UBC, listening to other radio stations, Nabali Kusta TV, we are in Lwemiyaga County, where General Rwashande is in the race with Theodore Ssekikubo. It is a hotly contested area, hotly contested position. We all remember what happened during the nomination of these specific candidates. It was all excitement. It was all a lot of words that were said between these people. One saying that you have been in parliament for quite some good time. It's high time that an army officer retired can come in to transform the lives of these people. However, we drove from Ssembabule right to this place. The road is still dusty. That's what I faced, and you know, so if you're not careful enough, you might reach here when you're all brown. General Rwashande there is done with ticking the presidential candidate of his choice, and is being guided by the polling agent. That is the role they have. Right there, the polling agent helps the general too. There you go. The president has been voted by General Rwashande. Now he is proceeding to the next box for members of parliament. I think this is where he is supposed to vote for himself or the other rival, if he decides to do so. There, the general casts his vote. That's for the members of parliament. And then he will proceed to the other box. Well, I think he has looked at UBC and is like, hey, I should talk to these guys, but we shall be having him. Right there, woman members of parliament. He is done voting, so he will put the thumb at the ink. There you go. signify you know, he's a very playful gentleman, so you can't be around him without laughing. So he's already done now. That signifies that he has already voted. So we are going to be speaking with General Rwashande, and we get to hear an update from him regarding the exercise. Well, I think now the process is standstill. I think because we are having a general here, and apparently, but they have started allowing in other people. I wasn't seeing others coming in, but they have already allowed in other people to come and engage into the process. So we are going to speak to General Rwashande shortly, so that he can give us an update regarding how he has seen the exercise. Polling agent, can you help us, guide us on how we can, so that, All right, General, kindly, you could come here close.
First of all, I want to clear what you were talking. I heard you saying that we are bringing confusion. No, you cannot destroy one paper and you go back and you return the destroyed one and they give you a new one. Because there is no single person who has 2 ballot papers. Okay?
Yes, General, we were actually waiting for you to explain to us what was happening, but you have really made it clear, sir.
Yes, there is no individual that has 2 ballot papers at a go. When when the other one is destroyed, the way you have done it, you put it in, that is a destroyed ballot.
It becomes invalid.
Becomes invalid.
You're not given a second one.
You're not given a second one. Because you know you can vote for other people. Yes, but then you don't go back because somebody there supports the person you are voting for, then he takes you to get another ballot paper. That's not correct. Because every Ugandan must exercise his right to vote. So when you take 2, it means that you have taken papers for 2 people. Yeah.
So, General, briefly, we saw you come in. Tell us, how have you seen the exercise right from the first desk?
I think it is clear. Maybe I have not seen any problem right from up there, up here. I have not seen any problem. I've just come from home. I just want to go around and see how people are voting. And
we've had information that the BVK machines in the constituency have failed to work. Have you?
It's not in the constituency. It's in the country. In the whole of Uganda. It's not in the country. It has just been cleared now that people should actually go ahead and vote without the machines. These are machines and we are people. So people can govern themselves without the machines. After all, it's the people that govern the machines. So what is the problem?
Asante, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Good. Well, mu Luganda mpozi tulina stative general. Abo Luganda
Luganda rwange ngaro liringo